Welcome to the mechanical universe, where engineering marvels come to life and transform our world. Sweet viewers, check the viewer count below. If you're among the first 1,000 viewers, please subscribe to help us reach our milestone. Your support means a lot, and your one click will greatly help us. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest projects and tutorials. Today, we're diving into the fascinating journey of a Doosan excavator, imported all the way from Korea to Pakistan. This second-hand, heavy-duty machine is from Doosan, one of the world's top 10 largest heavy equipment manufacturers, founded in 1896. Join us as we explore the meticulous process of unloading, assembling, and bringing this powerful piece of machinery back to life, showcasing the incredible advancements in technology that have revolutionized our way of working. With the help of a mobile crane, skilled mechanics start the meticulous task of unloading the excavator's separated parts. The crane operator maneuvers with precision, lifting each heavy component carefully out of the container. The mechanics coordinate seamlessly, guiding the crane and ensuring each part is handled with the utmost care. They first remove the smaller components, such as hydraulic cylinders and tracks, before moving on to larger sections like the boom and the cab. Piece by piece, the machine is carefully lifted out, showcasing the expertise and precision required in handling such heavy equipment. Each step in this process is crucial to avoid any damage and to ensure that all parts are ready for reassembly. Once all the parts are out, the real magic begins. The mechanics work systematically, following a detailed plan to reassemble the excavator. They start with the undercarriage, attaching the tracks to the base. Next, they move on to the main body, securing the cab and engine compartment. The boom and arm are then fitted, with hydraulic lines and cables being connected meticulously. Each bolt and pin is tightened to exact specifications, ensuring stability and safety. As the assembly progresses, the excavator starts to take shape. It's fascinating to watch how each piece fits perfectly, transforming a pile of parts into a powerful machine. The mechanics check each connection, testing the hydraulics and electrical systems to ensure everything is functioning correctly. They adjust and fine-tune the components, making sure the excavator is in optimal condition. This process highlights the incredible engineering and design that goes into creating such a sophisticated piece of machinery. By the end of the assembly, the once disassembled excavator stands ready, a testament to the skill and dedication of the mechanics. Our journey continues as the container carrying the Doosan excavator arrives at the garage. The heavy-duty truck, having transported the container from the port, carefully backs into the unloading area. The mechanics eagerly gather around, ready to begin the meticulous process of bringing the excavator out of its temporary home. With a mobile crane on standby, they prepare to unload the disassembled parts, setting the stage for the exciting transformation that is about to take place. After assembly, it's time for a thorough cleaning and inspection, a critical phase that ensures the excavator is in top condition before it begins its new life of heavy-duty work. The mechanics and technicians gather their cleaning tools and supplies, ready to remove the dust and grime accumulated during the journey. They meticulously wipe down each component, from the smallest bolts to the largest panels, using specialized cleaning agents to ensure every part is spotless. The cleaning process reveals the true condition of the excavator, allowing the team to identify any potential issues or areas that may need further attention. They clean the hydraulic lines, ensuring no debris could interfere with the smooth operation of the system. The engine compartment is carefully scrubbed to remove any dirt that could affect performance. Even the operator's cab receives a thorough cleaning, making it a comfortable and safe environment for the future operator. Once the cleaning is complete, the mechanics move on to a detailed inspection. They check every connection, making sure all bolts and screws are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. The hydraulic system is tested for leaks, and the electrical systems are scrutinized to ensure all connections are secure and functional. The tracks are examined for proper alignment, and the boom and arm are tested for smooth operation. The inspection also includes a series of functional tests. The engine is started, and the excavator is put through a series of movements to ensure everything is operating correctly. The boom, arm, and bucket are moved through their full range of motion, checking for any signs of hesitation or mechanical issues. The hydraulic pressure is monitored, and any necessary adjustments are made to optimize performance. This comprehensive cleaning and inspection process is crucial. It ensures the excavator is safe, functional, and ready to deliver optimal performance on the job site. The attention to detail and dedication of the mechanics guarantee that the excavator will perform at its best, providing valuable service for years to come. Historical context. To truly appreciate this engineering feat, let's journey back in time. In ancient civilizations, monumental tasks like building the pyramids in Egypt or the Great Wall of China were accomplished purely through human labor and simple tools. Workers would toil for hours, relying on their strength and basic instruments to move massive stones and dig vast canals. The work was grueling and time-consuming, but it laid the foundation for future technological advancements. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries, a period that marked a turning point in history. This era brought about the invention of steam-powered machinery, which drastically changed the landscape of construction and manufacturing. Machines like steam shovels and early excavators started to replace manual labor, making tasks that once took weeks or months achievable in a matter of days. By the late 19th and early 20th centuries, advancements in technology continued to accelerate. The introduction of internal combustion engines and hydraulic systems led to the development of more sophisticated and efficient machinery. Excavators, in particular, evolved significantly during this period, becoming essential tools in construction, mining, and various other industries. These machines could dig deeper, lift heavier loads, and operate in conditions that were previously impossible. In the mid-20th century, companies like Doosan began to emerge as leaders in the heavy equipment industry. Founded in 1896, Doosan has grown to become one of the top 10 largest heavy equipment manufacturers in the world by 2018. Their excavators are renowned for their durability, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology, playing a crucial role in modern construction projects. Today, the machinery industry continues to innovate with advancements in automation, AI, and sustainable technologies. Modern excavators are now equipped with GPS, sensors, and other smart technologies that increase precision and reduce environmental impact. As we look at the Doosan excavator being assembled before us, it's a powerful reminder of how far we've come, from ancient times of manual labor to the high-tech machinery of today. These innovations not only make work easier and faster, but also open up new possibilities for future projects and developments. As we see our Doosan excavator getting ready for its new life in Pakistan, it will be a reminder of how far we've come in terms of technology and machinery. From manual labor to advanced machines, the journey will be remarkable. This excavator, soon to tackle new challenges, will stand as a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed following the journey of our Doosan excavator from Korea to its assembly here in Pakistan. Your support means the world to me. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more exciting projects and tutorials. Your feedback and engagement help me create better content. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.